how many of you think of health or love to be healthy? Physical health, emotional health, mental health, psychological health, and all these things. If you love, then you must be aware of one vital organ of your human body, and which is called as ringmaster. Yes guys, watch the whole video. इस वीडियो के बाद you're surely gonna call me what's on my head. Yes, let me prove that. So the ringmaster of your body is your gut. That is your पेट से स्टार्ट हुई हर बीमारी, पेट से स्टार्ट हुआ हर हेल्थ, राइट? सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द गट हेल्थ टुडे. Having said so, it is very crucial for us to maintain a healthy gut to promote immunity, digestive system, a good digestion, even to eliminate the waste from your body, and whatever you eat, the nutrients are well absorbed. ये सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए या अच्छे से प्रमोट करने के लिए योर फूड प्लेज अ वेरी क्रूशियल रोल. There are trillions of microbiomes present in human body and they promote the nutrient absorption. Once your food is break down in your stomach, there is a heap of colonies of bacteria, these good bacteria, who are going to come and help you not only digest but also to absorb the nutrients from these foods. Hence, to maintain, to promote, to develop, to recover these microbiomes becomes a very vital for a healthy human. Usually these environment in our gut is disturbed because of the environmental factors, because of maybe we are on a prolonged antibiotic intakes, or maybe our food habits are not so very healthy, and all of these things result in the damage of your digestion and your immunity. So the diet here plays a very important role. When bacteria absorbs the fiber from these diets that we eat, it produces a short chain fatty acids that helps colonize the more good bacteria in your gut. So the people, in fact there is a study in 2015 which says the people, there is a study on certain number of people which showed low fiber intake, and over the period of time they had a lot of inflammation in the body. And to the people जो अच्छा fiber खाते हैं, even today they have very less inflammation in the body, because these microbiomes, those colonize in your gut, produces a very good amount of short chain fatty acids because of we eating a good fibers. Hence the first note is fiber rich foods are very important for a healthy gut. For those people who has a habit of having a lot of processed foods, low fiber foods, lot of sugary foods, so the microbiome in their gut eventually dies off because of starvation. Yes, because of eating certain kind of food, we are actually starving our gut microbiome. उन्हें फ्यूल नहीं मिल रहा है, hence colonies कम होती जा रही है, hence digestion is affected, and these people show a lot of inflammation, low immunity, and ultimately lends up to having a lot of acidic issues, GERD issues, IBS problems, right? So and these bacteria ultimately while dying off also tries to damage a mucosal lining of the gut. So at this point let's come to the 7 secrets of a healthy gut. Let me share them with you. The first one is trying to add a good amount of fruit, vegetables, oily seeds, dark chocolates. All of these contains a good amount of polyphenols which are antioxidant and helps in healing of the gut damage. Eating a minimally processed food, because the way we cook, the way the food is prepared also directly affects the health of your gut. So the minimally processed or the raw foods or just the sauteed or the boiled food are really healthy in developing the new colonies. The third is to avoid these processed food, the lot of sugar loaded beverages, the canned juices are strictly to avoid, and the processed packets food. The fourth goes is adding pre or probiotics to your food. It will help you add the additional bacteria to the gut, which will help redevelop the starving or the struggling bacteria in the gut. The fifth is to add the fermented food like idli, dosa, dhoklas. They contain a very good number of bifidobacteria and lactobacillus that builds a superb environment for your gut to develop furthermore bacteria. The sixth is the yogurt. It's amazing thing to add yogurt to your diet, but not every yogurt is good for your gut. Yes, a lot of flavored, sugar added yogurts are available in the market. Try cutting them off. More the sweetener added, lesser the bacteria in the yogurt. Try having a homemade curd yogurt, or if bought from outside, try having the plain yogurt in your diet. The seventh is lastly, trust your gut. It will heal itself. Give it a good time, the good food, the good energy. Think positively, try to heal it, avoid all those don'ts and add all these do's. It will heal itself. You may fight acidity, you may fight IBS, you may fight GERD, and all these things are completely reversible if you treat the root cause. So guys, this whole week is going to be on your gut health. We are going to post a lot of information on a gut health. Try including them, try understanding it, and wish you a very healthy life. Thank you.